Standard 5 Math Magic. In this video, we will solve some workbook exercise from chapter number 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. Page number 81, chapter number 6, question number 6. State the common factors for the following numbers. We have to find out the common factors of given numbers. One example is given that 8 and 16. From 8 and 16 we find that all factors. We will find all the factors. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8 and factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now 7 and 14. Two numbers are there. We have to find out the common factors of 7 and 14. For that, we will find out first all the factors of 7 and 14. So let's write factors of 7. It is the prime number, so it has only two factors, 1 and 7. Number 14. Number 14, to find out all the factors, we know the method. 1 14s are 14. Then 2 7s are 14. So these are the all factors 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now from this and this, which are the common factors? Common factors are 1 and which one is there another? 7. So 7 and 1 are the common factors of 7 and 14. So we can write here common factors is equal to 1 and 7. See the next 2 and 16 and 48. Two numbers are given. Let's write all the factors of 16 first. So 1 16s are 16. Then 2 8s are 16. 3 is not possible. Then 4 4s are 16. Number repeated. Then 5 is not possible. 6 also not possible. So these are the factors of 16. Now let's find out the factors of 48. So first 1 48s are 48. Then 2 is possible. Yes, because it is the even number. So we can write here 2 24s are. 2 24s are 48. Then 3 is possible. 8 plus 4, 12. So 12 can divide by 3. So 48 can divide by 3. So 3 16s are. 3 16s are 48. Then 4, yes, 4 12s are 48. Then 5 is not possible. 6, yes, 6 8s are 48 and 8 6 are 48. So here we will stop. Now we will write the factors of 16 first. First 1, 2, 4. 4 again we will not write. 8 and 16. Now we will write the factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now we will find out the common. Which is the common? First 1. So we can write here common factors 1. Then 2. 4, yes, 4. Then 8. 16, yes, 16 also here. 16. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the common factors. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the common factors of 16 and 48. Next number 3, 36 and 45. So first we will write the all common factors, all factors of 36. So first 1 36 are 36. Then it is even number, so it can divide by 2. 2 18s are 36. Then 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Yes, so 3 is also possible. So 3 12s are 36. Then 4, yes, 4 9s are 36 and 6 6 are 36. So these are the all factors of 36. We will write the factors of 45 here. So let's write. First, it is odd number, so 2 is not possible, but 3 is possible. We know that 3 15s are 45, 15 3s are 45. Then 4 is not possible, but 5 is possible. 5 9s are 45. So these are the factors of 45. Now let's write all the factors. First 36 we will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 and 45. First 1 and 45 compulsory, then 3, 5, 9 and 15. Now we will write the common factors. Which is common? First 1 is common. Then 2, 3, yes, 3 is also common. So write 3 here, 4, no. 5, no, 5 is not here. 9, yes, 9 is a common. So 1, 3 and 9 are the common factors of 36 and 45. Now 40 and 50, two numbers are given. So first we will write the common factors of all factors of 40. 1 40s are 40, then 2 20s are 40. 3 is possible? No, 3 is not possible. Then 4, yes, 4 10s are 40. Then 5 is possible? Yes, 5 कैसे possible है? कौन से टेबल में 40 डिवाइड बाय 5 करो तो 40 डिवाइड बाय 5. Yes, 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. Then 9 is possible? No. Okay. So these are the factors of 40. Now we will write the factors of 50. So first we will write here 1 50s are 50. Then 2 25s are 50. 2 25s are 50. Then 3 is possible? 5 plus 0, 5. So 5 cannot divide by 3. That is the divisibility of 3. So 3 not possible. 4 also not possible. Then 5, 4 possible. No, 4 is not possible. Then 5 10s are 50 or 10 5s are 50. So we will write here factors of 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. And factors of 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Now we will write the common factors. First 1 is a common. Then 2 is also common. So we will write here 1 and 2 first. Then 4 is not here but 5 is in both. So we will write the 5 is a common. Then yes, 10 we can see 10 is common. So 10. Now any common factor? No common factor. So 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the common factors of 40 and 50. Now number 5, 10, 15 and 35. 3 numbers are there and we have less space but no problem. Factors of 10, 1 10s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. So these are the factors of 10. Now we will write the factors of 15. 15, 1 15s are 15. Then 2 is not possible but 3 5s are 15. And 35. 35. So 1 35s are 35. Then 2 is not possible. 3 is also not possible. Directly 5 7s are 35. So we will write here all factors of 10, 15 and 35. First, all factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. All factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. And all factors of 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. So which are the common in three numbers? First, 1. 1 is a common. So we will write here 1, then 2, no, 3. 3 is here but it is not in other two numbers. 5. 5 is here also and here. So 5 appear in three numbers. So 5 is also a common factor. Any common factor we can see? No, 10 is not here. 15 also not there, and 7 and 35. So 1 and 5 are the common factors of 10, 15 and 35. Same way we can complete the next question. It is on page number 84. Question number 9. Find the common factors of the following numbers as per example. Here we have to find the common factor with the same method, but that we will write here in the circle. We will write the factors here and which are the common, that we will write in the circle. As example is given 8 and 12. So common factors of 8 and 12 are written here. 1, 2 and 4. And other factors they wrote here. So same way we will write here first all the factors of 4 and 18. So we will write here all the factors of 4. We know that 1 is factor of every number. Then 2 and 4. 18 is little bigger number. No problem. We will write here first 1. It is the even number. 2 9s are 18. Then 3. Yes, 3. 6 are 18. 4 is possible? No, 4 is not possible. 5. 6 3s are 18 and 2 9s are 18 and 18. Now we will see the common factors. 1, 2. Only 2 factors are common. So first we will write the common factors. We will write the all factors of 4 here and 8 in this circle. Now first which are the common, that we will write first 1 and 2. These are common. Now in 4 which factor is remain? Only 4. So that we will write at other part. In 18 which factors remain? 3, 6, 9 and 18. That we will write here 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we will find out the factors of 15 and 20. Directly if it is not possible, no problem. We can do, first we will write the factors of 15. 1 5s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. Now we will write the factors of 20. 1 20s are 20. Then 2 10s are 20. 3 is not possible. 4 5s are 20. And 5 4s are 20. Repeat हुआ. So we will stop. Now we will write here 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors of 15. And 20 के factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now let's find out the common. 1 is common. Then which number is common? 5 is common. Any common number remain? No. So we will write here 15's factors and in this circle 20's factor. First what we will write? First we will write the common. Which are common? 1 and 5. So we will write here 1 and 5. In 15's factor, which factor remain? 3 and 15. That we will write in another part. Same in 20. Which factors remain? 2, 4, 10 and 20. That we will write in 20's part. 2, 4, 10 and 20. Next 27 and 36. So we will write first all factors of 27. 1 27s are 27. It is odd number, so 2 is not possible. So 3 9s are 27. 9 3s are 3 9s are 27. Any factor is remain? No. 9 3s are 3 9s are. So these are the factors of 27. We will write the factors of 36. 1 36 are 36. Then 2. Yes. 2 12s are 36. 2 12s are 36. 3 is possible. 2 18s are 36. 18 2s are 36. Then 3 12s are. 3 12s are 36. Then 4. Yes, 4 is also possible. 4 9s are 36. Then 6. Yes, it is 6. 6 are 36. Factors of 27 and 36 I wrote here. We will find out the common factors. First one is common. Then 2. No, 2 is not there. 3. Yes, 3 is common. Then 9. Yes, 9 also common. 27. No. So, only common factors are 1, 3 and 9. So, common we will write here in the circle. 1, 3 and 9. Here we will write the factors of 27 and here we will write factors of 36. Now in 27, which factor is remain? Only 27. And in 36, which factors remain? That we will write here. 2, 4, 6, 12, 18 and 36. Next, 4 number 60 and 80. Two numbers we have. So let's write the factors of 60 first. 1 60s are 60. It is even number. So 2 30s are 60. 3 is possible? Yes. 3 2s are 6. So same we can write 3 20s are 60. 4. Yes. 4 15s are 60. Then 5. Yes. 1's place is 0. So it can divide by 5. And 5 12s are 60. Then 6. 6 10s are 60. Then 7 not possible. 8 also not possible. 9 and 10 6 are. So repeat ho gaya. We will stop here. Now we will write the factors of 80. 1 80s are 80. Then 2 is possible. Yes. 2 40s are 80. 2 4s are 8. So same way 2 40s are 80. Then 3 is not possible. 8 plus 0 8. So it cannot divide by 3. Then 4. Yes, 4 2s are 8. So we will write here 4 20s are 80. 5. Yes, 1's place is 0. So 80 can divide by 5 without remainder. And we know that 5 16s are 80. 6 is possible? No. 7 also cannot divide by 18. Then which number? 8. 8 10s are 80. So these are the all factors of 60 and 80. Here we have no place, less place. So no problem. Directly we can find out the all factors. 1 is common in both. Then 2 is also common. Then 3 is not common. 4 is common. 5, yes, it is also common in both. 6, no. Then 10, yes, 10 is here also and it is here also. 12, no. 15, it is not here. 20, yes, 20 is here also and it is here also. 30, no. 40, no. And 60 and 80. So we will write the common factors in the circle. Now we have less place and so many common factors are there. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the common factors. Then we will write the remaining factors. In 60, which factors remain, that we will write here. 3, then 6, then 12, 15, 30 and 60. Same in 80. Which factors remain? 8. Then 16. Then 40 and 80. So these are the common factors and these are not common. At last we have 3 numbers, 6, 10 and 14. So first we will write all the factors of 6, 10 and 14. So let's write the factors of 6. 1, 6 are 6 and 2, 3 are 6. So these are the factors of 6. Then 10. 1 10s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. Then factors of 14. Factors of 14, first 1 14s are 14 and 2 7s are 14. Now we will find out the common factors. 1 is common here, 1, 2 and 3. Then 2, yes, we can see it is also common. 2 here also, it is here also and here also. 3 is not common, 5 is also not common and 6 and 10, 14 are not common. Now we will write the common factors 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 are common. Now here in this circle we will write all the factors of 6, here 10 and here 14. Now in 6 which factors remain? 6 and 3. In 10 which factors remain? 10 and 5. And here in 14, 7 and 14, that we will write 7 and 14. So we can say the common factors 1 and 2 and these are not common in 6, 10 and 14. Next question, it is on page number 82, question number 7. Write the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Example is given. Write the first 5 multiples. To write the multiples, we will write the product of given numbers. See the 3 number multiples of 3. First 5. So till 5 we will write. Now 4. It is easy. We will write the first 5 multiples. 4 1s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. And 4 5s are 20. Now we will stop because they asked only 5 multiples. Now multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So these are the first 5 multiples. Same in 6. 6 tables, we know that 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. And these are the multiples. So we can write the multiples. First 5 multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Next question, it is on page number 83. Question number 8. State the first 3 common multiples of the given numbers. First 3 common multiples. We will find out An example is given 3 and 4. Here they wrote the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4, and then they wrote the common multiples. Now 2 and 6. We have to write first 3 common multiple. So first we will write the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Then 6, then 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so on. First we will check then 3 common multiples are there or not. First 6. 6 is common, then 12, then 18. Yes, first 3 common multiples we can find out. So common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. These are the first 3 common multiples. Now 4 and 8. So we will write first, we have to see that what they asked, factor or multiple. They asked here multiple. So we will write the product of given number. Now 4. So 4, 8, then 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. Now 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 24, 32, then 40, 48, 56 and so on. Now we will find out the common. First 3 common. First 8 is a common. So we will write 8. Then 16. Yes, 16 also common. So 16, 24, 24. So 8, 16 and 24 are the first 3 common multiples of 4 and 8. Now 4 and 5. So once again we will write the factors multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, then 32, 36, 40, 44 and so on. Now 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now let's find out 3 common multiples मिलते हैं या नहीं मिलते. First 5, 4 common नहीं है. 10 no common. 15 no common. 20 yes, first common 20 we got. Then 25 no. 30 no. 35 no. 40 only 2 we got. So once again we have to write the more factors. So till 44, after 44, 48, then we have no place. I am writing here 52, 56, 60, 64 and so on. Here 40, 40 after 5, then 45, 50, 55, 60, yes 60 here. So we can stop here. In common factors again after 40 we can get 60. So 60 is a common factor. Now 10 and 20. 10 and 20. So let's write the factors of multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and so on. multiples of 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Then we'll check first common. Which are the common? First 20. We got first multiple common 40. Yes, second also we got and 60. So these are the first three common multiples of 10 and 20. Again 2, 3 and 4. We have to find out the common multiples of 3, 2 and 4. So we will write the multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and so on, because it is endless. 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. We can write 15, then 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and so on. 4. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and so on. Now 3 common multiples. First 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 is not here. Then 9. 9 is not, it is odd number, so 2 के अंदर नहीं होगा. Then 10. It is also not common here. 12. Yes. 12 is here also, here also, in here also. So we got the first common multiple 12. Second common multiple 16, 15, 18, not 20. It is not there. We have to write again. Okay, 20, then 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay. Now let's find out after 12. 20 is not common in 30. 24. Yes, it is in 4 also, 3 also and 2 also. So again 24 common. 28, it is not common here. 30 is common here, but it is not in 4. So we have to write more multiples. 4, 30 till 32 we wrote. 36, 40, 44, 48. But here also we have to write more multiples of 3. 33. Then 36, 39 and so on. I wrote here 2 more multiple. Now after 24, let's find out 28 is in 3. No, 32. It is here, but it is not in 3. 36. 36 is here also, in 3's multiple also and 2's multiple also. In 2, 3 and 4. So the common multiple of 2, 3 and 4 are 12, 24 and 36. Next question, page number 85. Question number 10. Make factor tree as per example. 24 is given and factor tree 4 6 are 24. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. We learned already. We are doing only this exercises. So let's write 18 first. Now factors of 18. 2 9s are 18. Now 2 is a prime number. So when we reach at prime number, we will stop here. But 9 is not prime. It is composite number. So 3 3s are 9. We break 9 into 3 into 3. So, this is the factor tree of 18 and factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now, 28. So, we will write here first 28. 28 कौन से टेबल में आता है? कौन से टेबल में? 7 4s are 28 और 14 2s are 28. We can write here 2 14s are 28. Both way right. 2 is a prime number but 14 is not prime. So we can break 14 and 2 7s are 14. We break 14 into 2 into 7. So now 2 is a prime and 7 is also prime. So when we reach at prime, we will stop here. 2 into 2 into 7. These are the prime factors of 28. It is also a factor tree method to find out the prime factors of any numbers. Now 32. We'll write here 32. In which table 32 comes? We can break 32 into 8 4s are 32. We can break into 2 16s are 32 also. 8 4s are 32. Now 8 is a prime? No. 8 is a composite number. 4 is also composite number. So we will break 8 also and 4 also. So first we will break 8. We'll break 8 into 2 4s are 8. Now we reach at prime but 4 is not prime. So we can break 4 into 2 into 2. So now here we reach at the prime. So we'll stop here. Here we have 4. So we can break 4 into 2 into 2. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. So now we reach at this prime number. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 16 into 2 32. So these are the prime factors of 32. 50. We will write first 50 and make a circle. 50, yes. 5 10s are 50. Then 25 2s are also 50 we can write. Now 5 is a prime number. So we will not break this. But 10 is a composite number. So we will break this 10. 2 5s are 10. Now we will not break 2 and 5 because we reach at the prime numbers. So these are the prime factors of 50. Now 72. 72. We'll make a circle first. Now let's break 72 into two numbers. 8 9s are 72. So let's write here 8 into 9. 9 8s are or 8 9s are 72. Now we know that both are not prime. So we will break this also and this also. Now 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 is a prime. So we will stop here. But 4 is not prime. So we'll break 4 into 2 into 2. Now we reach at 2 means prime number. So we'll stop here. Now 9's turn. We can break 9 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 we reach at the prime number. So we will stop here. 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 24 into 3 72. So these are the prime factors of 72. Now 99. So let's write first 99 in the circle. Now we'll break 99. Anyway we can break 9 11s are 99. 11 9s are 99. Then 11 is a prime number. But 9 is not prime. So we will break 9. And how we will break? 3 into 3, 9. So 3 into 3 into 11 are the prime factors of 99. Now 18's turn 80. Now 80. Easy way, 8 10s are 80. This way we can write. Otherwise 2 40s are 80 also we can write. And 4 20s are 80 also we can write. Now 8. So same way we will do here. 2 4s are 8. 2 is a prime, so we will not break. But 4 is not prime, so we will break 4 and 2 into 2, 4. And 10. We'll break 10 into 2 into 5. So, these are the prime factors of 80.